Hello everyone, my name is Monique Daniels and welcome to my channel. I came up here today to let you guys know about one of my hand sanitizing sprays. So I know that's one of the things that people need nowadays and it's hard to find, very hard to find. Um, so I just wanted to let you guys see one of the ones that I have, and it's the Sage Purifying Spray. Okay. Yes. This is some good stuff right here. Absolutely. Um, the sage that's in it, the essential oil, is very, very potent. It is very potent. And it's extremely good for, killing bacteria, cleansing the hands when you're not able to wash your hands. I take it and I just spray my hands like this with it. That's it. It smells like sage. It smells like sage. It doesn't have any fragrance in it or anything. But it's really good to take with you when you're on the go. If you have to go out. Like I just came back from Walmart and it was crazy packed. Since stuff is opening back up now, it's crazy packed out there. So I always have stuff like this with me. Always. I keep something in the car. I keep a supply in the house. I always have stuff like this with me. So if you're in need of something to use while you're out and about, or if you have a family member, friend, somebody that needs sanitizers, click on the link below in my description box and get what you need and get a gift for somebody, if they can't get it themselves, or share the link, you know what I'm saying? So that's one of the reasons why I do this. I try to help other people that can't, get sanitizer or masks as well, things that they need. So I just wanted to, inform everybody that I do have hand sanitizer spray that you can use to, kill bacteria on your hands. You know what I'm saying? We all need to be safe nowadays as much as possible. As much as possible. We need to be safe and, practice safe practices. So at the end of the day, yes, just, check it out. And please subscribe to my channel, like the video, show a sister some support and love, and I definitely appreciate that. And I definitely will be coming up here again soon to keep everyone informed of, what we have in stock that can help people to be protected from what's going on nowadays. Okay, so everyone have a blessed day, and I'll be coming back up here, as soon as I can. All right, God bless. Bye bye now.